Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be talking about the cheat codes that should definitely not be mentioned on my YouTube channel, but we're going to mention them anyways because based on popular demand, you guys asked for me to release these. This is from an email that I got from a guy named Edward. I don't even know if that's his real name. He said he made up a fake email to send this to me just in case I was a Karen and reported him for it. But if you guys don't know, I'm sure you guys do know though, my most popular video on YouTube is Doordash Cheatcodes, and before that it was Postmates cheat codes. So I've made a lot of videos on how to make more money, and I just called it the cheat codes. It's not actual cheat codes though, it's just tips and stuff, you know. I just call it cheat codes because it sounded like a cool name at the time, you know. This guy sent me some actual cheat codes that honestly is probably the quickest way to get fired. And there's 4 tips in here that I'm gonna read off. So for those of you, if DoorDash is watching this, I'm just reading an email, guys. And if you want to, crack down on this stuff, it's probably a good. I feel like they've already done a pretty good job. One of these tips or cheat codes, as this guy says, is pretty well known. You know, like it's eating French fries. Of course, that's the number one. So, okay, let's just get into this email. Hey Tanner, my name's Edward. I've watched your channel for a while, and I thought since you don't actually give out any real cheat codes in your Doordash cheat codes video, I would give you some real cheat codes. Hopefully you'll read this out with your audience. Hopefully you're not a Karen and tell on me. So I made a fake email, so it doesn't matter if you tell on me anyways. So here's the top 4 cheat codes of what I think are ways to really maximize DoorDash. Alright, number 1, take all 5 Guys orders. Because 5 Guys, that's what it says. And if you guys don't know, if you guys don't have 5 Guys in your area, 5 Guys loads up their bags completely with fries. So that's what he's referring to, is when you get a 5 Guys order, they not only do they give you the cup of fries, but they take like another scoop and fill up the entire bag with fries. So that's why he's referring to the 5 Guys orders. Though, like I said though, I'm pretty sure, like, I haven't done a 5 Guys order in so long that I don't think this would really work anymore, because I would, unless you like straight up open the bag, which is his tip number 2. I'm sorry, this is so funny because they're so bad, but I have to read them though. It's just, I don't know, it's too good not to. And this was by popular demand. I did a poll, guys, and it was 88% I should read the cheat codes. Okay, tip number 2, go to restaurants that have greasy food so you can open the bags easier. I don't know how this guy hasn't been fired from DoorDash. If he still works for them, there's no way that he is still working for DoorDash. I gotta be honest, like he literally takes greasier restaurants because the bags are easier to open. God, that is so messed up. Like, this is why I don't order from DoorDash, guys. Like, I trust 95% of you guys, but there's that 5% that I just no. If I was to order something, I would order a pizza, because you can't really, like, other than maybe you can steal like one pepperoni or something, there's not really much you can eat off someone's food. And there's not very much requirements that go into like being a DoorDash driver, so it could be literally anything. Tip number 3, when ordering with a red card, you can order up to $5 more than the total cost of the order, and DoorDash will never know. Trust me, I've done this 100 times, and no one's ever said anything. Then he goes on to say, Raising Cane's is the best spot for this. I'm like, I'm laughing because I put this video off for so long. I was like, there's no way I could read this video. It is so bad. The length he is going to detail, like, is it illegal to do this stuff? I don't know. Like, there's no way that this guy shouldn't be deactivated. Like, this is so bad. I hope that I'm not encouraging you guys to do this, but I think they've already solved most of these problems. Like, the last time I haven't done a Raising Cane's order in a really long time, but I haven't done a red card order. I don't even keep my red card in my wallet anymore because I haven't seen a red card order in so long. The next tip. So the next tip is kind of 2 tips, he says. Tip number 4, the final cheat code. Slide upon arrival long before you get there. That way DoorDash won't bug you. Now, I don't think that really matters if you're worried about getting contract violations, because they know if you're at the store or not. You can slide upon arrival if you want them to stop sending annoying notifications, but at the same time, they're still gonna know if you're at the store or not, you know, because that's what happened with I slide upon arrival all the time if I'm like, I don't know, I do that all the time, to be honest, but I do that as a cheat code because I think that I'll get more double orders if they think I'm already at the restaurant waiting. I don't know if that's bad, but it is what it is. And then part 2 of that cheat code, he says, if the order is if you're delivering very far away, after you have the food, wait around for a few extra minutes to see if you get an extra order. That one's not that bad, but at the same time, that person's food is just getting cold. They're probably getting pissed, and it's just kind of messed up. But that one's probably like the only one that I would say isn't like a fucked up cheat code. Like, not gonna lie, this email's pretty messed up, but he already sent me a follow-up like, hey, are you gonna read the email? So there you go, Edward. I see you comment on my channel all the time, so if you guys see an Edward in the comment section, it's probably him. But anyways, guys, let's have some fun with this one. If you guys can think of any other cheat codes that should definitely not be mentioned, let me know in the comments down below. This was a very interesting email to read, but the greasy food one just gets me. Like, he goes to restaurant. What is that like? When I think of greasy food, the most greasy ones I think of are Five Guys and Panda Express. I don't know. I'm glad that they started like really closing the bags though, because before it was just a free-for-all. You can only imagine how much free food people were eating from customers back in the day. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap up this video right there. Let me know if you guys like this video at all. If you thought it was funny, what's the best cheat code? Just let me know your guys' thoughts down below. This video is fucked up. Anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. If you haven't yet, go to offaccessathletics.com. That is my footwear company. If you want to support my YouTube channel and support me, go get your next pair of shoes from me. Don't support Nike. Don't support Adidas. Support Off Axis. Get yourself some shoes. Anyways, use the discount code OFFAXISTanner. We will see you guys in the next one. Oh, by the way, that'll get you 30% off. OFFAXISTanner. Anyways, thank you, Edward, for the hilarious email. We will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Watch DoorDash ban everyone with the name Edward after this. Anyways, alright. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.